Kudzu. It's a traditional Japanese starch. You'll need to dissolve 2 heaped teaspoons of kudzu into cold water. Keep stirring till it all blends and dissolves. When it's dissolved, put the saucepan on medium heat. Continue to stir. Kudzu strengthens and protects the lining of your digestive tract, all the way from your mouth to your large intestine. Kudzu helps reduce bloating, indigestion and inflammation. Kudzu can also be used in everyday cooking as a natural thickener for sauces and soups, and to add that thick shiny glaze to stir fries. So when it's gone translucent in colour, add about a teaspoon of grated ginger. Just warm that through gently. And add a bit of tamari to taste. Mix that through. Pour it into a cup. Best drunk while it's warm.